Good morning, everybody. To quadrilateral, page number 859. Before that, we can remember special quadrilateral. First one is parallelogram. What the meaning of parallelogram here is quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, means each two opposite sides are parallel and also equal in length. Okay, after that, rhombus here is parallelogram. When I say here is parallelogram, mean the same properties of parallelogram. Like when I talk about rhombus, so I will say rhombus here is with both is quadrilateral with both pair of opposite sides are parallel as parallelogram and with four congruent sides. So directly when I talk about rhombus now, so I will say rhombus is parallelogram with four congruent sides or equal sides. Okay. After that, rectangle is parallelogram. Also means it has the same properties of parallelogram, but extra here with four right angles. Then square is parallelogram with four congruent side and right angle. So we can say for square is parallelogram. When I talk about four congruent sides, so I will talk about rhombus. So I can say for square rhombus also, and right angle as rectangle. So square here is parallelogram or rhombus and rectangle. Okay, so square is parallelogram with four equal sides and right angles. Last one here is trapezoid, and I said trapezoid. Trapezoid here is quadrilateral with exactly one pair parallel sides. Okay, so I have here just one pair, but all of them two pairs. Okay, here trapezoid one pair of parallel side, and the isosceles trapezoid here at the right is trapezoid with non-parallel sides or congruent. Okay, and here two other sides are equals and two sides here on the opposite two sides are parallel. So when I talk about isosceles trapezoid, it's a trapezoid as we studied before, like quadrilateral with exactly one pair parallel side, and the other two sides are equal in length. So directly I will say it for that is isosceles. Then let's open page number 859. So question number one. Here, how are the square and rhombus like? So square and rhombus like here together that have all sides of equal length. So the square and rhombus, all sides are the same length. Here, how is trapezoid different from a parallelogram? So trapezoid here has one pair of parallel sides. Okay, the difference between trapezoid and parallelogram, the trapezoid here has one pair of parallel sides, but two other sides not parallel. Okay, here question number three. Use many names as possible to identify each polygon and tell which name is most specific. Here I have the first shape is square, and then when I talk about square or the division of a square here is parallelogram. So directly I would say parallelogram with four sides are equal in length. So I will say rhombus, and four right angles, so rectangle, and already all of them is called quadrilateral. So here when I talk about this shape, so I can say square, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, okay? And the specific here name is square. So quadrilateral, square, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square. Question number four, this shape is called rectangle. And rectangle we can say is parallelogram. So rectangle and parallelogram and quadrilateral. So quadrilateral here, parallelogram, rectangle, and specific name is directly rectangle. Number five, this shape is like rhombus, okay? And we can say for rhombus is parallelogram and the quadrilateral, okay? We can't say for it is rhombus or rectangle because the rectangle here each two of the sides are equal length, but rhombus, all of sides are the same or equal length. Question number six. Here I have this shape is parallelogram, and directly parallelogram is quadrilateral. So quadrilateral parallelogram, and the specific name here is parallelogram. Identify the polygon using a many name as possible. So here I have this shape also, as when I said before, is rhombus, and we can say for rhombus is parallelogram and quadrilateral. Question number 8, this shape directly is called trapezoid, and trapezoid here directly is called quadrilateral because any shape from or any polygon from four sides directly is called quadrilateral. So this shape is called trapezoid and quadrilateral. Question number 9, why the square is also rectangle? Here I said before rectangle here and the square had the same properties in one point, like each one of these shapes has four right angles. So rectangle is parallelogram with four right angles. Since a square is also parallelogram with four right angles, so it's also rectangle. Which is special quadrilateral, both rectangle and rhombus? Here I have a square is a rhombus because it's a parallelogram with all sides of equal length. And square here is rectangle because it's a parallelogram but with four right angles. Okay. Question number 11 now. Each time Sophie makes a cut polygon, okay, she can make a new type of polygon. What the kind of polygon is left is if Sophie cuts off the top of the isosceles triangle. When I cut here the top of isosceles triangle, so where is the shape here? So what the shape if I cut it off the top of triangle? So directly this shape it will be trapezoid or quadrilateral, because when I cut this point or this part, like when I draw this line, when I cut this part, so directly this shape down is called quadrilateral, trapezoid or quadrilateral. All of them are the same. Okay, so this shape is quadrilateral and trapezoid. That's it, guys. So means this shape, and this shape is called trapezoid. Okay, after that, here question number 15, suppose you cut a square into two identical triangles. So if I have here square, okay, if I have here square like this, all of you know the square, all sides are the same length, and I have here four right angles. What here type of triangle will you make? When I cut triangle or divided the square into two triangles as is shown here, so I have here triangle has two sides are the same, so directly triangle is called isosceles. That's it. After that, I have a triangle here has right angle, so this triangle is called right isosceles. Okay, so this is right isosceles triangle. Right because I have here right angle in this triangle, and isosceles because I have here at least two sides are the same. Here are the thinking now. A parallelogram is four sides that are the same length. It's a square. Explain your no. Okay, so here I have parallelogram is not necessarily a square. Okay, not necessarily a square. It could also be rhombus. The square here is parallelogram but with four equal sides and four right angles. Okay, question number 17, which could be the side of length parallelogram. I have here 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter, and 1 meter. So I can't. No shape of parallelogram equal the same lengths, because here parallelogram each two of the sides are the same. If I have here 5 meter in the front of the opposite side of it is already 5 meter. So if I have here another side is 5, so directly the opposite of it is the same. But here the opposite of 5 meter is 1, so it's wrong. I have here 1, the opposite of it is 1, and 5, the opposite of it is 5, so directly the answer is letter B. After that, guys, question number 18. So where is it? Yeah. After that, which of the following statement is not true? Rhombus here has all sides are the same length. That's it. It's right because all of sides of rhombus are the same. Square has four right angles. Right? Is true also. Trapezoid has no parallel side. It's wrong because trapezoid here, one pair are parallel. Okay, so here when he said no parallel side, it's wrong. Okay, this statement is not true. So that's it, guys. See you later. Goodbye.